GoDaddy Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. In this review, I'll cover the key features, strengths, and limitations of GoDaddy's Website Builder, with product links conveniently added in the description for your reference. GoDaddy's Builder is designed for small businesses and individuals who need a quick, easy-to-use solution to get online fast. It offers a range of customizable templates, basic SEO tools, and an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that makes it accessible even for beginners. However, while GoDaddy shines in ease of use, it may not be the best choice for those seeking advanced design flexibility or robust e-commerce features. The platform lacks the depth of customization options that competitors like Wix or Squarespace provide, which could be a deal-breaker if you need more than just a simple, functional website. Additionally, GoDaddy's e-commerce tools are adequate but limited compared to specialized platforms like Shopify. It's sufficient for selling a few products, but scaling a large online store might be challenging. On the plus side, GoDaddy's integration with its domain registration and hosting services is seamless, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for those already within the GoDaddy ecosystem. Their customer support is reliable and available 24/7, which is a significant advantage if you encounter issues. In summary, GoDaddy Website Builder is ideal for users who prioritize simplicity and speed over advanced features. It's perfect for small businesses, personal projects, or anyone needing a straightforward online presence without the steep learning curve. However, if you're after extensive design capabilities or plan to grow a large e-commerce business, you might want to explore other options.